Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open the MyGeo app on your phone and sign in with your Geo number. Tap the Recharge tab to view available offers and loanable packs. Look for labels that say Loan, Recharge on Credit, or Get Now. The app shows eligibility based on your recent recharge and usage history. You must have an active Geo number and reasonable usage to qualify. If you do not see loan options, then you are not currently eligible. Select a loanable pack in the Recharge tab and tap Get Now or Loan. Check the pack details including data, validity, and any stated processing message. Confirm your selection and verify via the OTP sent to your Geo number. The pack activates immediately, and your account reflects borrowed data or validity. The app displays instructions about repayment timing and any applicable charges. Repay the loan by recharging before the repayment deadline shown in the app. Open Recharge and choose a full recharge to settle borrowed amounts and restore normal service. If you miss repayment, the app explains late charges, restrictions, or steps Geo may take. Keep an eye on SMS alerts that remind you about repayment and deadlines. You can cancel or avoid future loans by prepaying a full recharge whenever possible to maintain uninterrupted service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.